My lashes are looking real weird right now. Hey guys, it's Madi, and today I'm going to be doing a video on the new Glamglow Gravity Mud Glitter Mask. My face looks so red right now. It's because I have no foundation on, I have no face makeup on. I just have like eyelashes on and my brows are done. I'm just going to be reviewing this amazing product and doing a little demo of the product. So first of all, Glamglow has saved my skin. I'm obsessed with like all of their products that I've tried. And they are pretty pricey, but their products are so worth it. My skin has been in such great condition since I've started using these masks, and like all of their masks, like Thirsty Mud, Super Mud, Youth Mud. This video is not sponsored. I wish it was. Glamglow, please hit me up. When this product was launched, I think the internet broke. The entire beauty community freaked out, as well as I did. It's literally a black glitter mask, and I mean, who doesn't love glitter? I love glitter. I was so excited to try this, and it's the same formula as their normal Gravity Mud. So basically it is a firming treatment, and I love peel off masks because they're super easy to use. You just put them on, dry it, and then peel it off, and then like you're ready to go. Like other masks you have to like wash off, and like it's just like a lot of effort. I've used this product so much. I got it like a couple of months ago, and it's like halfway gone, I would say. It is 1.7 fluid ounces, and like this is what the packaging looks like. And each Glamglow mask, if you buy it singular, is that the right word? I don't know, but each Glamglow mask you purchase comes with a little Glamglow face mask brush, which is amazing. But yeah, this mask literally is everything. It's super fun. It does exactly what it claims to do, and it looks good. It's perfect for selfies. First of all, it smells like an actual vacation. It smells like pina coladas. The purpose of this mask is basically to tighten, tone, and lift. I do believe this retails for $69. Like I said, Glamglow is very expensive. It's more on the high-end side of things, but it's totally worth it. And most of the Glamglow masks I have are little trial sizes, and I just keep buying sample sizes. But this I did get the full size of. I was gonna do like a first impressions video of it, but when I got it, I wanted to use it right away, and then I just never got around to filming it because I was busy with school and stuff, but now I'm finally doing it. This was the first time I was trying the Gravity Mud Mask, so I wanted to test it out for a while, see if I liked it, and then review it, because I feel like it wouldn't have been a real genuine review if I like did a first impressions. So I wanted to use it a few times and see if my skin changed, and I do notice a difference and a change every time I use any Glamglow mask. So I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this. This is what it looks like. It's very gooey, but it's like, it's really fun. And I feel like I remember reading some like questions about it, and people were wondering if like the stars and the glitter like fall off the mask, if that makes sense, but no, it sticks to the mask. As you can tell, it's very glittery. And I am gonna apply, it says apply a thick layer for like selfie worthy pictures, so I am going to apply a pretty thick layer so you can really see what it looks like. And it does feel very cooling when you apply it to the skin. So glittery and shiny. It's almost like reflecting, like the light is reflecting off my face because it's so shiny. Okay, so this is what it looks like completely applied to the face, and it does say to let it dry for about 20 to 30 minutes. But since I applied a full thick layer, it might take a little bit longer than that. So I will be back in about 30 minutes. The camera just doesn't do it justice. I don't know if you can see, but it's like super holographic. And if you know me, you know I love the color black. I love glitter. I love holographic things. So it's like the little stars. I don't know. It's just so cute and fun. Okay, so it is dry, and as you can tell, I can't really like move my face because it does feel very tight. And the tingling went away after about like 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna start peeling it off. And I want to try to get it all in one piece. I feel like it's not all the way dry. I'm kind of rushing to take this off because I have to go somewhere, so like, I don't know, we'll see. Oh no, it didn't come off in one piece. Mine didn't come off as pretty as others, but you know, that's okay. Bam. Here it is. So I'm gonna go rinse off the excess because it did say that there would be excess. So I'm just gonna go rinse this off and I will be right back. So I just washed off the excess and my skin definitely does feel tighter, and it doesn't feel like super tight like I just like washed my face, because I do have dry and sensitive skin, and I would highly recommend it to literally anyone. Not only does it give great benefits and it works amazing, but it's super fun to do, and selfies are great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and turn on my post notifications as well. And also make sure to follow all my social medias. They will be listed down below. And comment down below any other video requests you guys have for me. And by the way, I am going to be starting to post every Friday instead of Monday. This upcoming semester, I have classes all the way from Monday through Thursday. And most of them are night classes, so Fridays are my free days, so I thought that would be easier for me to upload. So yeah, make sure to turn my post notifications so you know exactly when I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!